Hey friends, it's Kat here at BJ's, and in our last construction update video, we talked about the new parking lot, and it's here! Up next is the outdoor balcony for Smokey Joe's Cigar Lounge and Miss Jane's Restaurant. The expected completion date for this area is approximately August 2022. As with all construction, there are hiccups, and we've experienced our fair share here at BJ's. We've gone back to the drawing board for Phase 3 and have made some great updates to the all-new Mr. Ray's Cafe, Miss Jane's Restaurant, as well as brand new employee break room. Phase 3 is expected to be completed in the summer and fall of 2023. I look forward to seeing what the progress looks like with each of you here on our next construction update. See you all then.